Hello guys, welcome back to Building CompoLib series. In yesterday's video, we have built the features card section with motion. You can see when I refresh what what happened. Let me wait. Let's see. Yep. Now we can see our cards will come with the animation. In today's video, we are going to build a workflow section. If you are new to the channel and new to the series, watch the previous episodes. I have made the playlist also. So watch from the first video. You can see in first video we have built this bar, and in second video we have built this hero section, and in third video we have built this preview and orbit section, and in the yesterday video we have built this feature section. You can see in on hover there will be a movement in the y-axis. So yeah, in all card also we have over on hover we are moving position to the y-axis to 3 to 4 pixels. So in today's video we are going to build a workflow section. So start building it. So let's open code, VS Code. Then I'm going to create a new file in the landing, and it is going to be a workflow section or workflow.tsx. Workflow.tsx. Workflow.tsx is enough, I think, or I need to add section also. Okay, in orbit I am added orbit section. So here also I am going to add section, orbit section and workflow section. Okay, that is fine. Then I am going to press RAFCE. It is going to be a React snippet. You can use it by installing the extension in the you can go to the extension and search for the extensions and install what you need. It is going to be a React snippet. Yes, 7 React, next Redux, GraphIQ. You can install that for the React. You can use anything with. If you want perfect RAFCV, then you need one perfect extension with. Yep, you can see we have simple React snippet. This extension you need to install. You need to install this, then your REFC will work. So let's start. We need icons and we need cards for that. So I'm going to import the icons. I have already written the code. I have written the file also. So I'm going to import from that directly. You can see in here we have motion container. Then I'm going to import it from here. You can see workflow section. Then we have this icon and container and motion. We are going to use all of this. So let's import that. And I think we need this array also. This array is for our card array. It is going to be contain title, description, and the icon which we have imported. So let's copy once only. So let's copy and open VS Code. Here I'm going to paste it. Now you can see we have motion imported, then container, then we have all the icons which we have needed. Then we have steps array. It is going to be a wait. I will show you format document. Yep. There will be a three cards, 3 to 4 cards. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there will be a 3 cards. It will show what to do. It is going to be a purely product. So wait, I will show you. Now we have here we have only 2 cards. It is going to be this is going to be a step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. But in this CompoLab product, we have only 3 steps, 3 steps to follow. So we have 3 cards like this. Wait, okay. If I zoom out, then it is going to be like that. Okay, it is perfect. You can imagine, just imagine there is a 3 cards. Then it is going to this is going to be first one. Then there is going to be another card here. Imagine just. Then it is going to be a step 2. Then it is going to be step 3. Like that, we are going to build it. Wait, my laptop is very heat, so I am going to turn on the cooler. Yep, I have turned on the full mode now. You can do. Okay, let's open VS Code. Now we have arrays and all the imports which we have needed. We are going to add notions in the end, but first we need to. I'm going to zoom the code. I think is this enough? If you can't see, comment below. Then I'm going to increase the font size also. My VPN is turned on, so I'm going to turn off the VPN. This Proton VPN, yeah, every time I don't turn also it will turn on. So let's use that. Now we have arrays. Then we are going to use the container here. Before that, we are going to change the name as a section here. Section. Then I am going to add a class name for the class name is going to be a py. I think I am going to add one p81. It is going to be a better. Then I am going to use the container which we are imported. So container. Okay, this is perfect. Then what we write the code, then we are going to write it here. So first we will have a, I think we will have two divs. This div is going to be a title title and description. Then we have another div. It is going to be a card div. Cards div. Yep. Now we are going to look through this. We are going to use map for all the arrays, and we are going to do that. Then here we are going to add the title and the description. So first we are going to add the title and the description. So let's copy the title and the description from the previous which we have built. So let's copy. Now we can see we have title here. I'm going to copy that. Let's copy. Then you can see we have class name also. It is going to be MB20. Then we have max width to Excel. That is going to be your wish. If you need any, I think so much gap between the sections, then you are going to add MB20. Otherwise, only max width to Excel is enough. So let's add okay, format document. Now our H1 is added. I think H2, sorry. H2 is added. Then it is going to be a font. For Excel, font is going to be semi-bold, then tracking is going to be tight. So I'm going to add a class name for it. Class name is going to be MB. It means MB means margin bottom. Children see class name. Okay. Then it's going to be MB is going to be 20. Then what we need to add? Margin we need to add max width is going to be to Excel. Yes. Now we have margin. Then we have H1. Then we need paragraph. I'm going to copy the paragraph also. So let's open. Then we need to copy the paragraph. This paragraph, okay. Next, I'm going to paste it. Now we have paragraph also. So format documents. I can see I have formatted the document. So let's see how it is coming. But it is not coming. Okay, we need to import it in the page.tsx. So let's go to apps, then page.tsx. Then we need to import that. What we need to import. Okay, workflow section from the landing workflow section. So now we have workflow section. Then we are going to use that here. Yep. Now we have for workflow section. So now it will appear title and the description. So let's see. Yes. Now you can see we have title. Then we have description. Then we will have card. Sorry, it is going to be only 3 cards. Then so let's do that. So now you can see it is going to be an animation div. We are not going to add down. Then we will have this map array. Here you can see we have steps dot map. Then it's going to be step and a index. Then we are going to create a icon. Then we are going to return the one div. It is going to be a icon div. Then it is going to be a h2 and paragraph. That's it. So let's do that. So we have container. Then we have what? Oh, okay. We need to open landing and workflow section. I think is there any error? It is showing two errors. Let me see. Okay, we need to use this. We are not using that. That's why it is showing error. So we have const steps. So we are going to use that. Yeah. Here we need to use that. It is going to be a steps dot array. Sorry, steps dot map. Yes. Steps dot map. It is going to be motion. We don't need motion now. Let's be steps dot map is going to be a step, comma idx. It is going to be next. We are going to use what we need to use. Okay. I have made the mistake. Then we can do that. So before that, I think we need a const also. Wait. Yes, we need to create a const. Create a okay. Const icon is going to be a steps dot icon. It is perfect. Then we are going to use the div. What? We will use now we have div. Then we are going to add another icon. Then div is going to transition. Okay. Just we are going to add a icon, but we are going to not use like this. We are going to use like this. Yeah. We are going to add another one thing. It is going to be H1, I think. Wait, I will see. I'm going to copy this div. Okay, let's copy that. Before that, we have wait, see is going to be. Then we have written okay, perfect. Yep, we need to cover this into the okay. I'm going to copy this. We are going to use that div, and we need to use that icon. So let's use that. We don't need to use like this. Before that, we need to add a key also. So see format documents. The format. Then we need key also. Here, need to add key is going to be index. Now it is error. The error is gone. Now we have icon. Then we need a h1. So I am going to copy the h1. Here we have okay. Here you can see we have a h3 and a paragraph. I'm going to copy both of that. Okay. Let's paste it. I can do it from scratch, but it will video will increase so much long. That's why I'm going to use shortcuts. So I'm only copying the main things. It means which are you can hard coded this step or description, then styles, steps or title. That's why. So let's you can see we will have a cards also. So let's see. Right now we can see we have cards, but it is not in the flex. So we need to add the flex also, and we don't have a borders also. So I'm going to add that. So let's open. Okay. Then we are going to copy this class name. It is going to be a relative. Then we have all of the class names which we have needed. So let's copy. Then I'm going to paste it. Paste it. I think here. Where do we need to paste it? Yep, we need to paste it here. Maybe may not be. Okay. Let's see. Key is going to be idx. Then we will have class name. Okay, perfect. So let's see. Will it come or not? Because yes, now we can see our card is completely ready, but we don't have in the flex direction. So I'm going to add the flex also. So let's open. Let's we have class name for this map. Then we are going to use the yeah, use this. I think wait. Where is flex map is going to be okay, but we need to add a flex, right? Relative rounded cell border. Okay. It is going to be perfect. Then we need add icon also, but okay, we need to add this. Okay, we need to add this also grid class name. So we didn't add this. That's why it is coming like that. So let's copy. Then I'm going to paste it. Okay. After title, this div must contain class. Okay. Now it will come, I think. Yes. Now we can see our cards are coming in that one row. It is the perfect. We have using the grid. That's why it is coming. I thought we need to use the flex. You can do it in the flex also. Wait, I will show you. You can do it same thing in the flex also. So you can see we have class name is going to be relative grid calls to, but you can use flex also here. Wait, I will show you once. Relative, okay. Flex gap is going to be 6. It will do the same thing also. See, yes. Now you can see it is doing the same thing, but we need the best. That's why I'm going to use the grid. Grid is perfect. Flex is also perfect, but we need grid here because we need to use when the screen is medium, then we need to show the only uh, calls three, and when phone using, then we need to show only one card at a time. So that's why we use that. So let's format document. Now our almost section is complete. I think yes, you can see our section is completely all right. Now we need to add the motion. So now is the time to add the perfect motions. So let's copy the motions also. Okay. Then we have motions for wait. We have H1. Okay. Then we have another one. It is going to be a div. This div it will come. Wait, I will show you. We need to use this div because this div will come background. Wait, I will show you. I will copy and paste it. Then you can see perfectly. It will work. I think fantastically. Now I can. Yeah. Be- Before before that we need to add this. Okay. Format. So let's see. Will it work? Okay, there is an error. Error is coming. So let's yes. So we have an error. Let's see what is an error. Motion is going to be there. What is an error? If you to call. Okay, we need to use the use client component. We didn't use. This is a in Next.js. Then we in the starting it is it's going to be a server component. We need to convert into a your client component. Then let's remove this. Let's import. I think it will come. Yeah. Now our error is solved. So let's see. Animations will come on. Yep. Now you can see, guys. Have you seen that? So observe the background on the card. Now we can see yes, it is coming from the left to right. That is which we have added now. Then we are going to add the animations for this card. So let's go to now we are going to add a motions for the card also. So let's go to motions. Yep. In the return, we need to add this. Key is going to be I. It is okay, perfect. We have initial. Okay. Initial. Then I think I have added the class name. Let's see. If we didn't, I think I have added. So we don't copy that. Let's copy this only motions. Then we are going to use it. So let's go. Let's see. Class name, okay. Okay, so yep. Now you can see have added the class name, but I didn't have the motion. So let's add the motions. So format documents. Now we are going to convert this div into a motion div. So motion dot div. Our animations is completed. You can see. Oh, again we have an error. What is an error? Workflow section. What is that? Is not defined. Something went wrong now only. Control Z. Control Z. Yep. Now it is perfect. Let's see. Is it running or not? Okay, there is an error. Let's do Control Z. Yeah, now it is running. When I use motion, that is not running. So let's try to use motion.div. Then we are going to use it here also. Motion.div. Motion.div. Perfect. Yeah, motion.div also. Here we are going to copy paste that. So let's format document. Let's see if it worked it or not. So again we have error. Motion section. Sorry, motion section. I'm reading. Workflow section. It is an error. In the page.tsx, we have 14 lines at home. Okay, let's open page.tsx. What is an error? I'm not getting it. So wait, I will fix this error and I will come back. Guys, now you can see I have fixed the error. The error was it passing the IDX. I was passing the I. We need to pass ITX because we are initializing the IDX here. You can see in the map we are using step and IDX. So we need to use IDX into 0.1 in the motions. So it is going to be a perfect code now. So let's open the Chrome. Let's see the animations. Let's try to refresh. Yep. Now you can see, guys, our final animation. Yep. This is going to have second section. It is going to be Arbit. Then we have our card animation. So it is perfect. Now this is the main thing which we have done now. So you can see, guys, if observe the left side, there will be an arrow like line. It will come behind the cards. So let's see. Yep. This is the animation which we have built this section and the animation. So I hope you learned something and enjoyed this. So hit the like and the subscribe. If you have any doubts, comment it below. So see you in the next video.